How you doing? And so today, guys, I'm going to be doing the Nerf gun challenge. Today I'm going to be a little bit famous. I'm my little brother Abu Dilawi and my friend Saif Al-Hamadi and my cousin the Creative Diamonds. Today I'm going to do only 3 shots of my Nerf gun. First shot, I'm going to be trying to knock Joker down.
What? You're fainting.
Okay, so he's really tough to knock with a bullet. That didn't count the shot. And I'm gonna try aiming at this, aiming at the mirror. Okay, I did it. Okay, 2 more shots. Now I need that. Hit the mirror. Hold up, I'm gonna do it again. But this time, I'm gonna do like that. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Look. Look. It's literally at the edge. One more shot. Get that bullet. Okay, so 1 more shot. And now I'm gonna throw a bullet and try. Okay. Now I'm gonna do that upside down shot. No, look at it upside down. Oh man. Now it's time to try to knock you guys. You are going to be here and literally you're going to see a bullet come at you. But it's going to be fast. So you can't even see it. It literally did knock you down. But I can explain that.
I did a bridge.
Sorry, excuse me.
Look at my bridge.
It literally stick at you. I don't know what the hell.
Ahmed, I did London
There's naughty boy.
Look.
Now, this is the last and not easiest thing to do.
Ahmed, look. London
Doing
Bridge
it
is falling
through
down.
this hole.
This
I'm
is how
not
the London
even
Bridge is
getting
falling
it
down.
stopped.
Ahmed, this is how
It's
London.
gonna be tough.
Ahmed, this is how the London Bridge fell down.
Okay, hold on. I did it! And now it's time for it to finish this video up. Watch the mirror. I'm gonna throw it with my hand. What the heck is this? Oh my god. I'm not even kidding. Look what happened to the bullet. Look what happened to the bullet. It came spinning, it hit here, and look what happened. Huh? I know, stand it. Okay, so
Let me see how many.
now it's time for me to stick it.
Ten.
Oh, I did it!
Goodbye.
Hey. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button down below and subscribe.
Bye.
I love you. Take care and peace.
Bye.